around 10 years back or maximum 15 years back. Solar power 15 rupees, 16 rupees unit, prohibitive cost. Then nobody used to talk about it. Around again 2014, we thought innovative ways. How to reduce the cost, go for scaling. Then we have gone in a big way, solar, wind, all these things. Around 2018, I announced unit cost will come down around 1 rupee 50 paisa to 2 rupees. Today, around 2 rupees, 2 rupees 30 paisa, 40 paisa, it has come. One story I will tell you. When telecom revolution, at that time I was responsible, I gave Vajpayee ji to go for deregulation of telecommunication sector in India. Then he agreed, he has deregulated, transformed that sector. At that time, ordinary phone, 20,000 rupees, luxurious. Then I met Dhirubhai Ambani ji. I met him, I told him, technology is fast changing. Either as on today, news channels are coming. It will go to satellite. From there it is coming.